Me all the time, why do we have to have special light bulbs or special conditions in our closets for our lighting? I found a perfect example why here today. And see how my light is up here? Now this is perfect. This is absolutely perfect. You see how you got the globe on the light, but see, this is why we don't want to have we have to have a globe or a low heated light bulb like an LED bulb with a globe. And the reason is because when stuff falls on it like this, you don't worry about it. It's safe. It's not going to catch a house afire. People get so much stuff built up in their closets that when they fall down that they could hit the light bulb, or when you're dragging it out you could hit the light bulb and actually break it. Then you got a electrical safety hazard. Anyway, this is a great example why you want to do it and why, when they've done it correctly, it's most perfect and safe. Good job. Thank you very much for watching our videos. I hope that you learned something, and have a great day.